everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And Lexi, where are we?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. We are about to do something really, really fun. I cannot wait to show you guys. It is for Cars 3. I'm actually gonna be attending pit crew training. It's like when you watch like a race car on a race car track and like those people come out and change tires and stuff really quick. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's see how quick I can do that. Here we go. Alright guys, so I got my backpack. We're in class right now and we're about to learn some stuff. So I'm excited.
Welcome to my meet and greet. Oh, what's up?
Do you guys think we should take notes?
I think we should.
Should we take notes?
We got our little tables.
Now that was a burnout. That was a pretty sick burnout. I'm a race car driver. Lexi, don't I drive like this?
Yep.
Oh, so you're red?
Oh snap! It's about to go down, ladies and gentlemen.
Red versus blue, guys. Who's gonna win?
Comment down below. Who you think's gonna win? What team?
Blue.
Team red.
All right, guys. So I gotta do some pre-game stretches. I have to make sure I am ready when I'm out there on the track. So. Alright, so we had enough practice. I think we're ready for the real game.
I think it's time to go one-on-one, head-to-head.
One-on-one, head-to-head with Zach. Who do you think is gonna win? Comment down below. Blue?
Me, obviously. Don't lie. Don't lie. Come on
guys,
now.
Come on.
Don't lie.
Guys, you know
it.
I'm gonna.
You already know. You already know.
Okay. My name is Blue Storm. What's your name?
Okay, well mine's Red Lightning. I lied about the Mario Kart. I'm Red Lightning. Lightning McQueen.
Ready, set, go. Get back in there, step slow. Well, got a little bit of a jump. Let's see what we can pick up. Get the right position.
See, I knew it.
The young gunners.
Neck and neck right there.
What's up, guys? So we just arrived at the NASCAR Hall of Fame. This is it. Look how cool that is. And there's actually gonna be a lot of people from Cars 3, the movie, like the producer and the director. So we may have the chance to meet some of them. I'm super excited to see it. Should we ask for a picture?
With Lightning?
Yeah.
A little pretty white smile. Should we interview him too?
I mean, I guess we can. Should we just go up to him?
Yeah, we could just go. All right. Let's just go like that. It was really slow. Just kind of like creep in. Hey, yo, Lightning!
He's looking.
He's looking. Oh my God, he's looking, bro. What?
Dude,
oh my God.
What's up, Lightning McQueen? Woo, looking fresh. I love the paint. Look at those wheels. How does it feel to be like a mentor towards someone? Oh, you're gonna smile. You're gonna smile at me. All right. Okay. So you are here celebrating the release of Cars 3 on Blu-ray and digital. How do you feel? All right, that's what I'm talking about.
I thought you were different.
This guy's nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit that like button. It's gonna be down there. Do not forget to get Cars 3 on Blu-ray and digital when it comes out. All of my social media links are gonna be down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Adios, amigos.